this class. Okay, now today we are going to be looking at set and Venn diagram. Set and Venn diagram. If you look at this question, it's actually very, very complex, but it's easy to solve. So just follow the steps. Now, let's say in a class of 150 students, 70 studied economics, 50 studied chemistry, and 60 biology. 28 studied none of the three subjects. 16 studied economics and chemistry only. 12 chemistry and biology only. 8 economics and biology only. Now the question now is draw a Venn diagram, the first one. Then how many students studied all the subjects? Then how many students studied economics only? Now let's go. Now the first thing we'll do, say let the number the student that study all, let student that study all subjects be equal to x. Let's make it x. Are you getting it now? So let's draw a Venn diagram. Our first one is what? To draw a Venn diagram. Now you see that it involves three subjects. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 circles. Involve 3 subjects. So we have 3 circles. You get it now? Now, this one will be for economics, this one will be for biology, while this one will be for chemistry. Economics, how many students? How many students? They said 70. Biology, how many students? They said 60. While chemistry was 50. Now, the total number of students was, as our universal set now, will be what? 150. Remember, 28 did not study any of the subjects, so they will not reflect inside the subject. So we have to put 28 here. Now, we've already said that let the number of students that study all. If you look at this place is affecting all the 3 subjects. So we'll put our X here. So let's move on. Then 16 study economics and chemistry. So between economics and chemistry, this is chemistry, this is economics. Inside here, it's affecting here and here. So we'll put 16 here. Then the next one, it said 12 studied chemistry and biology. Chemistry and biology, put 12 here. Then while 8 studied economics and biology. Economics and biology, put what? 8 here. Now, we have not completed the Venn diagram because we need to fill here, here, and here. How do we do that? For economics, we say number of those that study, we are looking for only this place now for economics alone. So we have economics intersection biology, intersection chemistry. Now, because we are going to determine only economics, these ones will not be reflected. So we have to put prime here, prime, prime. That's to say they are not included in this one. It will become this number of economics minus 16 minus 8 minus x. So at the end of the day, it becomes what? 46 minus x. That is for economics. So the same thing we do for other subjects. We have for chemistry, intersection economics, intersection biology. All these one will carry prime because we are focusing on chemistry only. So chemistry now is how many students? Okay, it was 50. Chemistry is what? 50 minus 16 minus 12 minus x. This will be what? 22 minus x. Then we do the same thing for the last subject, which is biology. Intersection biology, intersection chemistry, intersection economics, they will carry prime, will become what? Biology was 60 minus 8 minus 12 minus x. I think this one will give us 40 minus x. Good. All right, now let's fill it up. This one was for economics. We'll fill it here. 46 minus x. This one was for chemistry, fill it 22 minus x. While this one was for biology, so 40 minus x. This is the Venn diagram. You have succeeded in completing the Venn diagram. Now, we still need to move on. Remember, we have done A, we have not done B. So, permit me to wipe this side. This side is not important again. We have already used what we are looking for. We have it in the Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram, we can be solving what we want to solve. Okay, now, let's move on. Look at it. Total number of students that study all. This is what you will do. You add this one, that is this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. equate it to the number of students minus, you must remove this one because they are not involved in the study. You must remove this one from here. You get it now? Before you, okay, so let's do it now. So I'm going to be using this sign because normally you're supposed to be using this sign to get an extra mark for you when in case you are doing an external exam. So the way I did this one, I'll bring out this one, n intersection E n B prime C and intersection C prime plus, I'll take this n intersection C n E prime intersection B prime plus, I'll take this n intersection B prime B C prime intersection E prime, all right, plus, now we are done with these ones. So let's take here, between here, E and chemistry. That is what we are going to be involving only economics and chemistry now. So N intersection E intersection what? Chemistry intersection B prime. B prime, that is to say biology is not involved because we're focusing on only this place. Then plus, we pick the other one that's between here and here. That's the biology and chemistry now, yes. Intersection B intersection what? Chemistry intersection what? E prime. Chemistry, economics is not involved. They will pick this one plus, that's between economics and biology now. Economics intersection B intersection chemistry prime. Chemistry is not involved there. Then lastly, we pick this middle one. That is the three subject altogether. That's E intersection C intersection B equal to 150 that was given to us minus these ones that are not involved. Do you get it now? So now let's pick now. This one we've already gotten it. This one was this. We have a 46 minus x plus, this one is a 22 minus x plus, this one is 40 minus x plus. Remember the next one, which is this, we started, it was 16. That's economics and chemistry 16 plus 12 plus 8 plus this x, the last one, you get it now, is equal to, if you subtract this one from this one, which is a degree 122, 122. You get it now? So now, if you look at this place, if I add this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, if I add them together, at the end of the day, we have 144, 144. Now let's look for that of x. If you look at how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus x plus x, these two will cancel out already. So we are now left with minus s and minus x, so which will give us what? Minus 2x is equal to 122. Collect like terms now. I can bring this one here. So let's just bring this one here and take this one back so that we remove the negative sign. 144 minus 122 is equal to what? 2x. You get that? If I subtract this thing and this will give me 22 is equal to 2x. Let me wipe this place. Let me wipe here. Okay. Now, dividing both sides, now x will become what? 22 over 2, which is equal to what? 11. So, the number of students that study everything here now is what? 11. You get it? Now, the last one, he said, how many students study economics only? Only. That is only economics. We already have the equation. So, all we just need to do is to pick this equation and solve it. So, the last one, C, will become, how many students have studied economics only now? Will become what? 46 minus x. Our x is already 11, so we'll put it 46 minus 11. This one will go this. If this one will give me 5, this one will give me 3. So 35 students studied economics only. Even if you are so asked, how many students study chemistry only? Just use this one. Biology, use this one. That is all. You get it now? So that's how this is solved. This is B. This is our A, this is B, and this is C. This is a simple way of solving set and Venn diagram equation. So please subscribe to our channel and follow us on all our social platforms and strike that like button. Thank you.